Bruh. Okay, what are my YouTube Monster fans? Even though I got a lot of subscribers on me. But, like, how much traffic I have? What do we got, 13? Well, a couple days ago, not a couple days ago, yesterday, Mary's dying. His tablet's dying. My freaking brother was going upstairs. There was a gel bottle, so I threw it at him. I missed, kind of. I hit him now. I hit him. He threw it back. Shock. Hit him directly in the face. So he jumped, hit me, punched me. He's a weakling, just to let you know. No, wait, what Okay, so that happened. My tablet died and he tried to give him some good CPR. And then he died on me. I'll that video because he died on me. That's why it's called He Died on Me. So I don't know what I'm going to name this. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. I look like that is her. Ow. I'm dizzy. Turn your head. Okay. You know what? I'm just bored. I'm just going to hit my head. Okay. As soon as my tablet starts charging. Oh. Oh yeah, my video post. He died on me. Watch it. Watch it. Don't touch me. You girl.
Biting you.
Exactly. Girls bite.
You won't stop touching me. I'm at my tablet.
You know that sounds wrong.
Oh my god.
I am watching Lucy. It is stupid. I honestly don't know what it is. Okay. You guys gotta check out my bloody nose video.
Oh.
She's a witch, like what? I know she's a troll, but I mean, how is she a witch? I threw a couple of videos. I didn't get to post something today. You guys can't even see me, but I can see you. Because I have eyes everywhere. No, I stuck up a finger at it by accident. Yeah. Tomorrow we have a state test. It sucks. Trust me, it really sucks. The bad news is I forgot to do my homework.
No, it's due by Friday. Because we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Yeah.
Oh, yes! That's why I didn't do it. Oh, well, speaking of what I just said, I'm good. My dog died on me.
Your dog?
I told you guys his name, I think. His name is Jake. His name's Jake. He was like, he was about 5. He's about 5 or 6. he lives with my cousin and and my big brother Shane. And my cousin is Kaden.
Oh, seriously? A dog is big, that's who it is?
Yes!
So you make that up?
I want to make that up.
You make a lot of things up.
Right. True. But not this one. He actually died. Gabby told you that he died because he usually...
Look what I have. My blanket.
Oh, I thought he stole mine. Really though, my dog actually died. Well, it's not really my dog. It's my cousin, well, my brother's dog. Oh! Oh! Oh my God.
They just keep it as a
He literally just shot like this. Yeah! Alright, back to my dog. You said I nearly. You kicked me with your foot in my
You
throat.
kicked me in the balls.
No, he did. I kicked you in the butt.
Are you sure you need such huge doses? I'm afraid you won't survive.
Some cells inside me will fight and defend their integrity till the very end. In order to gain the last few percent, I have to force the crack the cells open to get nucleus.
Me and one of my friends has actually been in detention like 35 times when I was in kindergarten. Alright. Better. See, one of my friends said he mooned his teacher, Mrs. Long. His name is Michelle Ferguson. His actual name is Michael Ferguson, but I always call him Michelle.
Ow.
Ignorance.
Because if you actually see Michael, it looks like it says Michelle.
I'll find a way for you.
Mitchell.
Mitchell, Michelle, or Michael. One of those three. Yes, that's right, Michael. Yeah, I just had to make sure. Watch this, watch this. 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. What the?
Do you understand English?
I understand your mama. You know that cat, like, do you know those video vines that people barf out rainbows? This girl is like barfing out potatoes. No, she's like barfing out sparks. Like,
It's called Snapchat.
Not always on Snapchat. You can be on Vines. Fudge off. See, alright. In the chat, tell me who's good at Dragon City. Me, I'm a legend. I have every single dragon.
That's Nani that does it.
No, she downloaded it and I just played it nonstop. She used to always get mad because I always went on the thing.
Yeah, 'cause
I got every dragon. Well, most of dragons, like, you would have to cost money for them. No. No,
Gold.
that's not me.
Those look like leeches or something.
What is she doing? She's looking for energy and matter.
Because they're looking for matter.
In science, a little about matter. Matter. This girl is freaky.
Yo, Katarina!
I'll be right back.